we begin. All right, so we're going to do just the first two definitions today. I forgot to reattach my projector. I took it all with me. All right, I'm going to start talking. What is a job application? Kate.
A job application is somebody who's assigned to a job they might or want.
Yeah, well, it's specifically like everybody write this down. It's specifically a piece of paper or an online form that you fill out in the hopes of getting a job. If you fill out a job application, do you automatically get that job? No, definitely not. Could they possibly give you the job just based on your application? Yeah, they can. Has anybody gotten a job that way? Just filled out an application and gotten a job immediately? Yeah, that happens sometimes, especially when you know people. But on this job application, there are questions just like the ones you asked. But a lot of it is logistics, like who are you? What is your job history, that kind of stuff. How do we contact you? Where did you go to school? What's an interview? Triton.
Where you meet with an interviewer,
Right, so you meet in person
be asked a set of questions.
or online to be asked a set of questions. Why do they want to question you in person?
To know if you can perform under pressure.
Right, well, to know if you can perform under pressure, to know if they like you, that's a big thing. Also, it helps if you show up to the job interview. That's a big information thing for them. So you ask to be asked a set of questions to determine whether you'd be a good fit. Something that people often forget is that you are interviewing them as much as they are interviewing you. For your homework that is due tomorrow, you're going to have to do this outside of class, but it should just take a few minutes. Listen to me now. You need to fill this information out. I need to know all of this stuff. If you want to put in a fake address, you can, but I'm not going to share your address with anyone. Previous employment, any job you've ever had, including babysitting and education, you shouldn't be filling out the college portion, okay? Just your stuff. Go for it.
See you next.
Bye, guys.
Wednesday.
Sorry, AP stats is not fine.
Well, Christian took his folder that he was supposed to leave in my room.
I was gonna say, I probably gonna need a copy of everything we pass out because he is known to lose things in a matter of minutes. So just to be on the safe side, I will always,
The frustrating thing is that, like,
right.
I set up a system with him, like,
Yeah,
just
he
leave
just-
it in here.
He just
Leave
looked
it in
at it
here.
yesterday for his, give him this, he did his pre-benchmark, all but one question, but yesterday he couldn't find it. So, like I said, we looked at, he went in his locker, he, looked in his folder, that's the first thing he did, is he went to the folder, you know, and then he looked in his locker, we looked through his book, never found it.
And was he one of the ones that hadn't turned it in the day
And he
before?
went, and, right, he went, because he didn't have one left.
Yeah.
And, you know, I said, well, we could probably do it at homeroom tomorrow.
God,
He
that
went-
kills me.
I know, he just, anyway, I think he did well in his benchmark, because after he got all done with it, I said, well, let's take